everyone, this is Dr. Cauley and Dr. Tepper with the University of Kansas Medical Center. We're going to be sharing a few brief videos with tips for managing life at home for you and your family during the COVID-19 outbreak. This video is going to share tips for coping with mindfulness and grounding. If you or your child are feeling more anxious these days due to the COVID-19 coronavirus, you're not alone. This pandemic has us all feeling more stress and uncertainty than usual. So today I wanted to talk with you about coping using mindfulness and grounding. Mindfulness and grounding are two different interventions we can use to help us relax, refocus, and alleviate stress. Mindfulness is all about actively paying attention to the present moment. The goal is to focus on and be aware of the present moment, whereas grounding helps us to stay in the moment. These exercises help us to be more present and to better focus on what is important to us. And they can be adapted for all ages and can be done almost anywhere.
One easy strategy is something I like to call Find Five. You can do this in a variety of ways. First, you have to choose a theme or a category. You can use a color, one of your five senses, like taste, smell, or touch, or a category like desserts or animals. Once you've picked your theme or category, the goal is to focus on finding 5 things that fit within that category. As I mentioned, these are strategies that can be used anywhere. You can make going outside mindful by going for a walk and trying to find 5 things that are green, and then 5 things that are red, etc. You could be sitting at the doctor's office listening for 5 different sounds.
Another fun spin-off of Find Five is something called Spider-Man meditation. One of Spider-Man's superpowers is his ability to tune into his senses. The link on the screen will take you to a web page with step-by-step guided narration instructions that you can read to your child to walk them through this Spider-Man meditation activity. Or you can invent your own version by having your child name 3 things that they can see, 3 things that they can touch, 3 things that they can hear.
Practice mindful breathing with a breathing buddy. Telling your child to pay attention to their breath can be a hard and confusing direction to follow. Instead, have your child choose a stuffed animal and then lie down on their back with their breathing buddy, their stuffed animal, on their belly. Have your child focus their attention on the rise and fall of the stuffed animal as they breathe in and out.
Remember to practice gratitude. Part of being aware of the present moment also means focusing on all of the good around you that you already have. One way to do this is during mealtime, by going around the table and each taking a turn, sharing one thing that you are thankful for.
There are also many free mindfulness and relaxation apps available. Some of these apps help you practice mindfulness by having you follow the instructions of a narrator related to your breathing and visual imageries. Some of these apps are Headspace, Breathe Kids, and MindShift. Another app called Breathe, Think, Do with Sesame teaches children relaxation and problem-solving strategies through mini challenges and stories. Thanks for tuning in. Be on the lookout for our next video.